So this is Ivan. He is a large plush, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can take a photo of Ivan and create a small figure just like this. Let's see how. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the website Meshy.ai. Now you can try this for free, but in order to 3D print you will have to get a plan, and luckily for you, if you click the upgrade button right over here at the top of the screen and you sign up for one of these plans, I'll just take the cheapest, which is $20 per month. Now you're going to add the promo code HUSTLE and click apply. And look at that, you can save $4, 20% off for 1 month. Right over here, the perfect way to get started. Alright, now once you have your account, what we're going to do is just select this option that says upload an image, and I'm going to upload it directly to the site. Here it is, Midnight Gorilla. Let me go ahead and generate this image. Okay, so right over here to the right hand side of the screen, you can see the model which has been generated. Let me go ahead and select it. Alright, here is our gorilla. You can see it looks pretty good. You can see it from all different angles. Now there are some other options that you can do. You can add different poses if you want. You can also add several different images, but for this one I think I'm just going to leave this the way it is. Alright, so now what I need to do is to generate an STL file in order to print this on my 3D printer. So I'm going to select download, and I'm going to choose this option. And this will allow me to generate an STL file of this particular image. So I'm an absolute amateur with 3D printing. This is what I have. It's a Toybox printer. It's a great entry-level printer, or if you have kids and you want to get started, I definitely recommend the Toybox. I'll leave the link right in the video here. But even though I'm an amateur, it doesn't matter because I can print that 3D model of Ivan. Now with my printer, I'm just going to go to my Toybox creator space, and as you can see, this particular program, it supports STL files, a couple other ones as well, but I'm just going to take that file and I'm just going to drag that in. Now as you can see, the file is too large to print on this, so I'm just going to have it resized, and then from here I will have to go in and slightly resize this image a little bit more so that my printer can print this out. I'm also going to take this and rotate him. Okay, so it looks like I have my gorilla right over here. I am ready to print. So now let me go ahead and select create. And it looks like my image should be printing momentarily. And now let's go ahead and print this. So now we wait, the Toybox is fired up, it's getting ready to print just the base of Ivan. As you'll see in a second, it's also going to create some supporting material as well so that our figure can stand. We just have to wait till this process finishes. So as Ivan looks on, we made a little bit more progress. Alright, about 15 to 20 minutes have passed. It looks like Ivan is really taking shape now. Alright, so it looks like it's just about done. There it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at our miniature Ivan. So now after I clear all of that supporting material, you can see what this 3D model looks like. I have a smaller version of Ivan. We'll look at them side by side, just like that. Here are some of the fine details. I think that this looks awesome. Now, I mentioned before how you can have multiple photographs. In this situation, I would probably want to do it because you can see that his legs don't quite look great when you're looking at him from behind. But as you can see, when we hold them side by side, this is a pretty good representation of the larger plush made in just minutes using Meshy.ai. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment area below. And if this is content that you enjoy, go ahead, send a super thanks or subscribe.